Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a real quick update video on Rylee. Everybody's been asking me about an update, and I know I haven't done one in like a week and a half. We're trying to find some little bit of normalcy, so I've been doing some fishing videos and stuff like that. I'm very fortunate to be able to get out, and I've kind of done small updates on some of those videos, but wanted to do a strictly Rylee and our situation here at St. Jude update, and really the reason why I haven't done too many updates since the last one, which was when we were inpatient and she was getting her first round of chemo, is because she's been doing great. She's been doing awesome. She's been a happy little baby. She really responded well to the chemo the first time around. Now the second and third treatments we hear are going to be a lot rougher. It's just going to progressively get tougher. She'll probably lose some hair and things like that. But as far as like the first round, man, she did really good. Everybody says it, but it's very true. Babies are very resilient. So yeah, she's been really happy. She's in her room right now, sleeping over there. So I'm not going to wake her up. We might walk in there in a minute, but anyways, yeah, she's been doing really good. Some of her numbers have been down, like her hemoglobin was down, and we may need to do a blood transfusion in the next day or so, but that's pretty standard from what I understand. And so everything seems to be going well for the first treatment. So we don't know how the cancer's responding to the treatment, and we won't know for probably until after the second or third cycle is when they'll start doing those tests and getting imaging and all that stuff. But the biggest update that we have is our new digs here. So St. Jude has several different housing options for their patients. The one we were in previously was short-term housing. We were there for a month, called Tri-Delta Place, and that's essentially like it's like a juiced up hotel setting. It's got a little bit extra space. It's got kind of like separated living space and bedroom, so it was nice. But we were living out of our suitcases, and we were anxious to get in something a little bit more long-term. And then St. Jude also has another short-term facility that's pretty new, which is actually connected by a sky bridge to Tri-Delta, called Domino Village. And that one's kind of a mix of short-term and long-term. And that one seemed super nice. We'd go in the cafe every once in a while in there. And then they have Target House, or we'll talk about that in a second, but they have, what do you call it? Ronald McDonald House. Ronald McDonald House, which I've heard about many years and had no idea what it was, and that's more of a long-term housing thing here. And then you've got Target House, which is where we got set up, and we checked in this last weekend. So this is essentially our long-term housing. Looks like I gotta take out the trash, but we've got a nice, full-size kitchen here. We got our bedroom right here, master bedroom. Little living space. It's a little tight, but it works. Put the Rylee's little playpen here. I got a little place to edit videos and do all that stuff. And of course the bathroom, and then Rylee's room. She's watching Bluey. But we didn't allow Rylee any screen time before this whole incident, and we've just kind of given up on that now that all this has happened, because we're just like, she enjoys it, and it's good time for her to kind of rest and not get restless. So anyways, but yeah, so we're set up in Target House here. It's really nice. You can see they got this nice courtyard. They got all kinds of activities at all times. That's the other side of Target House. That's Target House 2. So yeah, it's, we've made it our own. Katie's done a really good job of you know, setting everything up and getting everything nice and clean and orderly. She's done an awesome job with that. And so yeah, we feel pretty good about our situation right now. It's as good as it possibly could be. It's better than, you know, living in a hotel for, you know, the however long we're going to be here. So we're pretty happy with it, and you know, as happy as that we could be. And so we're very thankful to St. Jude and to Target House for putting us up here. But that's pretty much the update. I really do think that I'll have more to update in the coming month and a half, because that's when I think things are going to get harder and harder from a treatment standpoint. But as of right now, we're just taking solace in the fact that Rylee's doing great, and we're having a great time with her, just trying to stay engaged with her and, you know, just enjoy our little girl. So anyways, guys, just want to thank you all for all the support, all the prayers, wishes, positive vibes. All that stuff means the world to us. And even though I'm not doing like a video a day, I'm definitely going to tone it back to only doing videos when you know, something important happens. But just know that we still really appreciate every single one of you and all your thoughts and prayers. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you trust the process, and I'm going to see you guys either at St. Jude's or out on the water. See ya.